Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Oracabessa town center towards Racecourse. Turning onto Wharf Road, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Racecourse, Galina, Port Maria and Annotto Bay. On the right is Grace Baptist Church. Also on the right is Oracabessa Primary School. On the right is Coleraine Street. On the left is the Oracabessa Bay Fish Sanctuary. Also to the left you can find the Oracabessa Marine Police and Fisherman's Beach. The road on the left is the James Bond Beach Service Road, and that road will take you to James Bond Beach, Oracabessa Bay Fish Sanctuary, Oracabessa Marine Police, Fisherman's Beach, Button Beach, Santa Maria Island, Snorkelers Cove, Low Key, and Low Key Beach, as well as the road will take you towards Golden Eye Hotel. We are back at the main road. Going right will take you to Oracabessa Town Center, Jacks River, Boscobel, Rio Nuevo, Prospect, and Ocho Rios. Going left will take you to Racecourse, Galina, Port Maria, and Annotto Bay. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.